Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. I passed an order again on makeup. Oh my god, I just have never enough people. Never enough. I went on the website Beauty Bay. You know, it's the website based on UK, I believe. At the beginning, it was just a website that was selling other people product, and now they have their own brand, Beauty Bay, that do makeup as well. They did a collaboration with Mama Mitchell and with Nikki Tutorial. I review the palette that she did with them, so if you want to check that out, it will be right here. And I wanted to test out a little bit more of their product, so most of what I bought, it's from their brand. So I have my little box right here, and let's dig in. I just opened it to see if everything was in the package and to see if something was broken or something like that. Okay, I will show you, I believe the only thing, no, one of the only thing that is not from Beauty Bay, and it is from BH Cosmetic. It's from the same collection, Weekend Vibes. So I did a review on this collection with the Avocado Toast palette, which was a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And I had the Bellini palette, it was for blushes, and then the Belgian waffles, that was for bronzer and highlights. And I really like this collection. So you can check out the review I did right here or after this video. But when I saw this palette, I saw it first, I think it was Steph talking about it on YouTube. Steph, what's the name of the channel? Steph's Beauty Stash, yeah. And she showed this palette and I was like, oh, I didn't see this one, that's so cute. Blueberry Muffin, are you kidding me? I really like the packaging, I think it's really cute. And I liked the color story because it is different of what I already own. So we have a lot of purple, blue tone colors and some gray, silver, more on the dark side, a little bit more cool toned, and I don't have this kind of colors yet. So I was like, yeah, I want it. I'm not gonna swatch everything because I will do a video using this palette and I will show you more in depth the palette, but here it is, and I think it's really pretty and different. That's what I like. The second product that it's not Beauty Bay, it's from NYX, and it's the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. It is not a new one, it's been on the market for a while now, but I heard so much about it, people raving about this product, that I wanted to test it out. It is, it said that it's full coverage foundation, so I hope so. I took the color nude because every time I had the impression that I was taking a color that was too fair, I have the impression, so, but yeah, I don't know yet. With my hands it's okay, my neck I don't know. Definitely not my face, but because I have a very fair foundation on. But I think we can, I'm hoping that we can make it work, but I will do also a review on this foundation to see what I think about it. So subscribe if not already, because I have a lot of videos coming out with all this newest product that I bought. And now Beauty Bay product. I bought those crayon eyeliner trio. So it came in this cute little packaging, and here are the crayon. The only thing is, as you can see, they're just white. We don't have any indication of the color that is inside, so that's a bummer because I like to know what it is and I don't want to have to open to see the color, but maybe it is written. Yeah, it's just written, but I like to see the colors. So this one is Blue Skies, and it's from the Pastel collection. I don't know if I said that already. I still don't know how to do swatches, people. Here is the color. I think it's a really beautiful blue. And I don't have a lot of pencil for the eyes, so I'm quite happy that I will have some to play with. And I really like this trend of pastel. So this one is called Minted, so I'm guessing it's a green. Yeah. And let's see. Oh yeah, I really like it. This one is really pastel-y color, so even more than the blue perhaps. I like this one. That's pretty. That's pretty. And the last one, it's called Aurora. I'm loving that name. So pretty. And it's the purple. Ooh, it's a lavender. I'm loving it. That's so pretty. I'm so into those colors. We'll see how it goes on the eyes, but I like the colors. I have, first of all, 2 blushes. I'm so into blushes at the moment. I'm just all about blush. I'm just loving it. I posted on my YouTube community asking you if you wanted to see a blush collection, and I think the majority said yes. So tell me down below if it is still the case, if you want to see a blush collection from me. But I have a lot of blushes, I believe, so it can be interesting for you. So here is the product. I like the packaging this time because you can see the color and we don't have to open the product. The thing that I noticed right away is that it's very light, it's plasticky, it feels cheap, but it is not expensive, so it kind of goes with it. It's pretty. I'm not saying that to be shady or anything, just saying that yeah, it's really plasticky. It's not a luxury feeling at all. So the first color that I bought is Coral. Are you surprised? If you're new here, let me explain. I'm all about coral, peach, oranges from the cheek and all over the face. So here it is. That's why people were not new or not surprised, but I really like the color. It's just right on my alley. Ooh, beautiful color. I'm loving it. Oh my god, look at that. I just can't wait to use it. That is very, very pretty. Today on my cheeks, for blush, I have a little mix of the Lunar Beauty palette that I own, but I use 3 blushes from this palette and I think it's really pretty. So pretty. Okay, good. What are they saying? They're saying powder blusher. A powder blusher to help you add a flush of color with a blendable formula for a seamless finish and buildable pigments. To ensure your looks are always customized, the blusher glides onto the cheeks for hours of lightweight wear. Okay, good. That's good. And like I said, I have another blush from the same collection. I believe that the products are pretty new, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is called Blossom, and it reminds me a lot of Orgasm from NARS, and another one from Melly, the one that is very popular. It is a pink with gold reflect. So it is super duper pretty. Let me do a little swatch. Yeah, I'm liking it. Oh god. It's just like, I don't know, my arms doesn't want to show you the product or something. Okay, wait. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I bought an highlighter and they're saying a lightweight powder highlighter that delivers a smooth, pigmented finish, blendable and buildable. This versatile highlighter can be used to create a variety of looks, from soft, subtle shimmers to bold and blinding effects. So if it is true, I really like it because I like that I can be able to have a subtle glow but a very beaming highlight as well. And the color is so freaking pretty. It's just me. That's me in a highlight. I just love freaking champagne. I think it's the most beautiful color and flattering color ever. It feels kind of soft. Okay, here is with one. Okay, so we can see that it is subtle at the moment. I really like the color. And if I'm trying to build the swatch. So obviously I have to see on the face, but the color is really pretty. It's not really like a creamy finish when I'm feeling it. I can definitely feel powder. Yeah, you can see a little bit better now. Here it is, but that's pretty, and the color is completely perfectly splendid. If you watch Netflix, then you know. And if you don't, then I'm gonna explain, otherwise it's kind of a private joke, but it's a movie that came on Netflix not so long ago. Not a movie, a series. The Bly Manor or something, I don't remember the name, I'm so bad at it. But it's about ghost, and it's like of a horror movie, not, yeah, but a soft one, I would say. And I liked it. And there is a little girl, a British little girl, so cute. She's like 8 years old, I believe, and she's always saying perfectly splendid, and I love it. Okay, and the last product is, here is the palette that just launched. It's the Book of Magic. I'm gonna show you. I really like the packaging. Find your beauty ritual in our spell book and cast magical looks to bewitch, featuring 20 richly hued shades to customize and enchant. Mix them together to create powerful charms, or wear them alone to show their individual powers. With velvety mattes, vibrant shimmers, and a duochrome, all in a pigment-rich formula, these shades have a seamlessly blendable texture and major staying powerful spellbinding looks, more magical than the last. I like the color story a lot. It's kind of a little bit, I would say, as the, where it is? Let's see, close to the blueberry that I showed you just before. Is it similar, or is it just me? No, they're kind of different. We have some similarity with the purple, but it's not the same. We have the silver. Yeah, we have some similarity, but we have some nudes, purple, some greenish bluish colors, and more blue colors. But I think it's a very beautiful palette, because you have your everyday look just right here, the 4 shades right here, and I like the addition of the purple, mint, bluish colors. I don't have a lot of blue colors. I mean, I do now. It's not the color that I use the most for me. I go more into the greens and the reds and the oranges, but I wanted to change a little bit, so here it is. I think it's super pretty, and they're saying, yeah, it's this one, it's a duochrome. You can see green, you can see maroon, and a little bit of pink, but yeah, I will do a video testing this palette very soon, so stay tuned for that. Tell me down below if you have any preferences between the two palettes that I showed you, but yeah, I can wait to test that out. And if it is as good as the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette, I will be very happy. It is the palette that I'm wearing right now, the Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorial palette. It's the one that I have on my eyes, and I really like it. I know you're here, baby girl. I know you're here. You're just mommy, mommy. I know you're here. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Okay, let me finish that, and I will be taking care of you just after. Okay? Yeah, good. So here is everything that I bought on Beauty Bay. I'm very glad of my purchase. Tell me down below if you are interested in any of the product that I showed you, but I can wait to test it all. Like the video if you did like it, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye!